Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into workshop. 4 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Shop. Which means a place where things are manufactured or repaired. Shop. For example, he works in the machine shop. Number 2. Plant. Which means a place where an industrial or manufacturing process takes place. Plant. For example, a giant car plant. Number 3. Factory. Which means a building or group of buildings where goods are manufactured or assembled chiefly by machine. Factory. For example, a clothing factory. Number 4. Studio. Which means a room where an artist, photographer, sculptor, etc. works. Studio. For example, mostly the painting is done in the studio, working from drawings. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.